Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to unpublish a Wix website in 2021. Alright, so to do this, make sure to log into your Wix account. After that, we're gonna go and locate our Wix website. So just go up to the top left corner and you see this one, My Sites. Just click on the drop down menu. You can choose your Wix website to unpublish right here, or go all the way to the bottom and click on Go to All Sites to get a better overview. So I'm gonna go and click on Go to All Sites. Alright, so here you have a better overview of your website. So you can see a preview like this. So we're gonna go and unpublish this site, Andreas Tutorials. So to do this, just click on Select Site. And this will take you to your Wix website dashboard. And of course, make sure that you have the right Wix website. After that, we're gonna go to the left sidebar. We're gonna go all the way down to this one, Settings. Click on that. Under Settings, we see this one, General. In General, we see Website Settings. Click on that. And under Website Settings, we see this one, Site is Published. Alright, so we want to unpublish this Wix website. So to do this, just go to the right of this message and we see this blue link, Unpublish. Click on that. And after that, we got this pop-up, unpublish your website. So once you unpublish, your website won't be visible to visitors. You can always publish it again from the editor. So just click on this red button, Unpublish. And now we can go and see this message, Site is unpublished. Okay, my friends, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.